Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in the previous part 14, we saw the third-party tracking tool called Optin Dojo, which will be the most important tool if you're going to use solo ads as your traffic. To the continuation of the previous video, in this part 15, we are going to see how to use Optin Dojo for inserting the affiliate links and also how to segregate the buyers, which is going to be the most beautiful automation. So we are going to see both these in this training video. Now, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now, this is the dashboard of Optin Dojo, and if you've not got your Optin Dojo account, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below in order to get your Optin Dojo account. Now, when you come to the funnels, so funnels is the most important one of these tabs. So we have to create the funnels. So we have seen in the last training series how to create the funnel. So in this training video, I'm going to use lead pages just to show you how we have created it. Click on the lead pages. Now, when you scroll down, you can see the funnel settings and the funnel name, which is the lead pages. You can give the funnel name based on your requirement. So here you can see the opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, event managers. So under your opt-in pages, when you scroll down, you can see the default rotator, and under the default destinations, this is going to be the link of the squeeze page. So you can obtain this link from lead pages, and this will be the default destination. So when you scroll down further, you can see the already subscribed URL and unsubscribed URL. Now this is going to be the already subscribed URL where the lead will be taken to this page. This is going to be the unsubscribed URL where the subscriber once tries to unsubscribe, they will be taken to this page in case we can get a last minute sale or so. You can scroll up and you can go to the your affiliate or own offers, and here you can see the default destinations. Here you can see different offers like RPM, secret email system, browse and bank, 99 red and phantom, and you can always get these affiliate links. These are the respective affiliate links, and you can get these respective affiliate links from Warrior Plus. Just go and click on Warrior Plus, and this is my dashboard, and you can click on affiliate offers. Now this is the dashboard of the affiliate offers. So you can just go and click on the request button and then click on for request approval in order to be approved for promoting this particular offer. So once approved, you can see that it is showing get link. So you can just go here and click on the get link, and here it shows your affiliate offer. Just copy this whole affiliate link and then go to your Optin Dojo and just paste against the respective affiliate offer over here. And once pasting it, just click on the track conversions, and under the track conversions, you can just click on this drop down where it will show the different affiliate network like Warrior Plus, Explodely, ClickBank, and so on. You can explore on your own, and once selecting the network, then you can copy this webhook IPN URL. Just click on this copy button and then go to your affiliate offer, and here you can see the webhook IPN URL. You can just paste that tracking link over here. So once you paste your webhook IPN URL over here, this will be very important because this will tell you whether a sale has been made or not, and also the commission of the sale. So you will get notified by Warrior Plus to Optin Dojo, and you can view it on your dashboard of Optin Dojo. Now click on save after entering the webhook IPN URL. So after that, you can just go down and you can just click on the save funnel. Now you can see there are different offers over here. Currently, we can see these two offers are being promoted. You may get a question like why there are two offers currently being promoted. Now this is because whenever I'm running my solo ads clicks, I'm running around 1,000 clicks. So 1,000 clicks and an opt-in rate of, for example, if you get an opt-in rate of 40 to 50%, which is going to be around 400 to 500 leads, and out of that 200 will be sent to this offer and 200 will be sent to this offer. So you will get an idea of whether this affiliate offer is converting or not. So whenever you get around the 200 to 250 hops on a particular offer, you can clearly say whether it is converting or not. So in case if it is not converting well, then you can change the offer. So the next part is that event manager. Just go on, click on the event manager, and this is one of the most important functions of Optin Dojo automation. Now you have to create an event where you can see here I have created an event. Then this is event 1, which is called when a lead makes a purchase. On default rotator, we have to choose default rotator, and the autoresponder. What will the action performed by the autoresponder? This is to move the lead to another list, which is the buyer C list. So once a lead purchases, we are going to move it to the buyer C list. So the autoresponder is going to be AWeber here. You can see the different autoresponders like active campaign, Getresponse, SendLane, and so on. And then you have to click on the web my AWeber connection, and this is going to be the leads. So, and this is going to be the buyer C, which we have created as a list, and this is going to be the Google leads, which is going to be the raw list, and you can click on the connect new account once done. So from there you can always create another event, like whenever a lead purchases from buyer C list, he will be moved to buyers B. Whenever you are doing a changes, please always save the funnel, so please don't miss that. And once saved, you can click on the exit. Now when you go down here, that there is another tab called traffic sources. Click on the traffic sources over here. Now the traffic source is nothing but the solo ad provider. So we are going to create the traffic sources based on the solo ad provider. So here you can go and click on add a new traffic source over here, and then you can name the traffic source and something like Ben. Click on save traffic source, and once done, then go to your tracking links. Here this is going to be the most important part, because you're going to use this tracking link and you're going to give this tracking link to the solo ad vendor, and from there you can track the solo ad campaign. So in order to create a new tracking link, you just click on the add new tracking link over here, and then you can choose the funnel over here, and you can click on this as this is a solo ad, and you can choose the number of clicks, for example, and I'm just entering the cost over here, and the traffic source I'm just going to enter it as Ben. And from here, when you click on the save traffic link, you will now see a tracking link generated over here. Now use this URL and give it to the solo ad vendor so that you can track that particular campaign. So after that, click on save tracking link. So once done, click on the close. So this just briefly explains how to insert your affiliate link into Optin Dojo, and also how to create the buyer's email list, and also how to create the traffic source, and how to create the tracking link. So in the next part of the training series, we are going to see how to use Optin Dojo to integrate with our email autoresponders like AWeber and Getresponse. And in the subsequent video, we are going to see how to integrate Optin Dojo with funnel building software Lead Pages. If you are one of those guys who are complete beginners and also not tech savvy and really serious about building an online business, then I would request you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below in order to build a serious business online. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.